Here I have Nokia C31, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So firstly you have to select preferred language. I'll just stay with English. Tap let's go. Then you can connect to mobile network by inserting SIM card, but if you don't have it on you can just skip this step for now and do this anytime later. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but you can also just skip this step for now and connect to the Wi-Fi later. Then you have to set up date and time. Then you have to set up Google services, so I suggest you to disable them all. But in any case, you will have to accept Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Then you can set up fingerprint unlock, but you can also skip this step for now and do this later in settings. Then you can set up face unlock, but you can also skip this step and don't do this at all. Then you can set up screen lock, just like any screen lock, but you can also skip this step and do this later in settings. It's not that essential. Who will need your phone? So you can continue setup, or you can just leave me be and get reminded. And after that, device will be ready to use. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.